Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Broksonic VHS player to show you. The model number of it is VHSA-6687CTTCT. So that's the model number. And before we get into it, quick fun fact. Do you know how long the tape is inside of a VHS tape? It is 1,410 feet long. Generally, but let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your mono audio and composite input, and then you've also got a tuner jack for recording from cable TV. And to connect it, all you have to do is plug in your yellow and white cables, and then once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and power it up and put a VHS in. And this is the original remote for it. It's got all your basic functions. You can stop the tape, play it, fast forward, rewind. You can pause it, and then you can start recording if you want to. And then it lets you go to the menus. You can switch between controlling the TV and the VCR. And then you've got the number pad, of course, for surfing through the channels. And then on the front panel, you have another input. This time it's for recording instead of for the tuner. You can connect some cables right there and record from another device. And then right here you have your channel buttons. And then right here you have play, rewind, fast forward, and stop. And then you have power and record. And it also has a fast rewinding mechanism if you push stop. So that's pretty much all there is for this Broksonic VCR. It's very basic, but it gets the job done, and you can play back your VHS tapes with it. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.